Which of our following refers to UTP cabling? Well, first, what's UTP cabling? That's unshielded twisted pair. So you have copper cabling, it's typically used in Ethernet cables, and it's twisted. And you have it unshielded, meaning there's no barrier around it. There's still insulation around it, but shielded twisted pair, or STP, still copper twisted pairs, but it has like a metal braided shielding around it, and that will protect the cabling from any kind of electromagnetic interference or any crosstalk from other wires. But let's look at some characteristics of UTP cabling. So like I said, it is a twisted copper pair. Both UTP and STP share that. And I also said that they are both used with like RJ45 connectors for Ethernet. So use in Ethernet networks and telephone systems, another good one, it's another answer. Low cost and even ease of installation. Yeah, they're pretty easy to install. The cables just go into an RJ45 connector, which goes into a female RJ45 connector, and boom, you have network. And it is low cost because it's so generally used. And then we have takes advantage of protective covering, reducing signal interference from outside sources. That would be STP. So that is not one of our answers, not a feature. Coaxial cabling is a totally different type of cabling. There's no twisted pairs in it. Coaxial cabling is just one copper line and there's shielding around it. That's it. And it's typically used for broadband internet or like television. So it's not what we're dealing with here. And then we have not surrounded by any shielding that would provide protection against interference from outside sources. Since it's unshielded, this is one of our answers. Fiber optic cabling, like coaxial cabling, different kind of cabling. It's not our answer. Fiber optic, if you are curious though, it's a thin line and it uses glass or plastic in it with a light at the back of it, and it transmits the data through that glass or plastic through light pulses. So completely different. And then we have an Ethernet networks installed with RJ45 connector type. Yep, that's exactly what I said earlier. So some characteristics of UTP cabling is that it is a twisted copper pair and it's used in networks and telephone systems. Since it's so general, it's got a low cost and it's pretty easy to install. UTP, unshielded twisted pair, is not surrounded by any shielding that provide protection against interference from outside sources. That would be STP. And it is used in Ethernet networks installed with a RJ45 connector type at the end.